Men and women and boys and girls and mothers and fathers and teachers and people, let me invite you, urge you, solemnly, don't be scared. It is only I. I am the professor doing strange things. More on a candle. I like candles because Michael Faraday gave 6 one-hour lectures on a candle at the Royal Institution in his day for children. Imagine, 6 one-hour lectures on a candle. So consider the following. I have in this glass a candle. I'm going to draw the picture. Glass, candle, unlighted. Glass, candle, unlighted. Now I propose to light the candle, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to light the candle. There, I have lighted the candle, and a burning candle is a beautiful thing. I'm reminded, I have come to light a candle, not to curse the darkness. Very good phrase. Now, what do I propose to do? I propose to go to the edge of a building. Let me draw a building here. There's a building. I propose to go to the edge. There I am, right there, with that here. And I'm going to hold the candle with the glass, like that. And I know what some of you are thinking. You want me to fall down and go boom. But it ain't what I propose to do. I propose to drop the candle, and you are to imagine that it is falling down. Now, the glass is getting hot, so I'll have to extinguish the candle. The candle is falling down. The glass is falling down. Oh, yes, the candle is lighted. There it is lighted. You see, in an instant, we make a picture which reveals the truth of things. Question. I supply you with a telescope. Here we will imagine you have a telescope. And you are watching the glass with the lighted candle fall. Question. What do you predict will happen? Now, I don't mean when it hits the cement walk down here. We know all about that. What will the flame do during the falling? This is a wonderful question and has great implications for our understanding of other things. I'm going to be charitable with my wounded heart and tell you what will happen, and then you'll have to tell me the reason. And I have gotten hundreds of reasons, all wrong. So if you find a good reason, write me, and maybe you will be right, and thus your genius will be revealed. The candle flame will go out as the thing is falling. But why? That is the question. So, you see how a simple thing can raise some complicated questions. Next, business with a candle. Here is a little one, and I'm going to light it. And here I have a glass cylinder, which was our telescope before, open on both ends, and I put it down smartly over this candle. And you see soon the candle will go out. Let us watch that. Sure, because the tube is getting filled with the products of combustion, and no air is getting in, so I hope, from the bottom. I want to be sure. And we will see the candle went out. Now, I shall have to come back to this and do what I want to do with it, and here's what I propose to do. Here is a little metal sliver, which I'm going to put down in there and divide the candle in 2 parts. And what will happen? The candle, which is on the verge of expiring for want of air to breathe, will come alive again. And this bears on the problem I earlier proposed regarding the falling candle in the glass. So think about it until we return to this investigation, and thinking will be very good for you. And I thank you for watching.